You found what you've been looking for in this lovely listing. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in this spacious 1,892 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 561-235-6801. That's 561-235-6801. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.